Rosenberg's new GD84 500-watt EC motor improves HVAC fan performance. Higher efficiency electronics offer a significant decrease in nominal current. Charlotte, North Carolina. PRWEB, January 31, 2019. Rosenberg's redesigned and improved GD84 500-watt 230-volt single-phase EC motors run cooler and more efficiently, while increasing airflow. They are available now on Rosenberg axial and backward curved fans for HVAC and equipment cooling applications. The new all-recognized motors increase airflow and pressure output by 2% to 5% depending on the fan model. Features of the GD84 motor include higher efficiency electronics that offer a significant decrease in nominal current. An improved housing design features an integrated, highly efficient heat sink for improved thermal management. Standard input voltage is 200 to 277 volt single-phase in 50 to 60 Hz frequency. In addition to standard products, Rosenberg builds fans and motors to specific customer needs such as special finishes, voltages or frequencies. Rosenberg's electronically commutated EC motors provide easy speed control, long life expectancy and low operating costs. They are CE approved and meet ERP 2015 requirements. About Rosenberg. The Rosenberg family of companies is headquartered in Künzelsau, Germany and employs more than 1,000 individuals worldwide. Rosenberg fans and blowers can be found in HVAC systems, as well as industrial and portable air conditioning, in air cooling for variable frequency drives, VFD, wind power generators and power converters, solar inverters, uninterruptible power supplies, UPS, transformers, heat sinks, fan coils, telecom racks and other industrial equipment, in air handling units and fan filter units, FFU, and in railway, marine, military and avionics equipment. Rosenberg USA is located just outside Charlotte and Indian Trail, NC. For more information, or to place an order, contact Rosenberg USA by phone at 704-893-0883, fax 704-882-0755 or email sales@rosenbergusa.com. Share article on social media or email.